Hello future DevOps. In this tutorial, we are going to create this cool animation from image using HTML to CSS. So let's get started. At first, I am adding a container element. Next, in the CSS, I am styling the body tag. Background color, justify content, center, align item, center, width 100%, height 100 VIs and display flex. Okay, next I am styling the container 500 pixel, height 400 pixel, border pixel solid, border radius 5 pixel, background size 300. Next I am adding the move animation. You can see our animation image is ready. If you like this video, then like, comment and share with your friend. Thank you.